Hello everyone! So today I'll be showing you how to make spicy crispy chicken. This recipe there are a couple of steps. The first step is to marinate the chicken. To marinate the chicken you will need about 8 to 10 chicken tenders pounded, about 2 pounds. Make sure to pound the chicken to make even thickness. 3 to 4 tablespoons of sour milk, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, 3/4 teaspoon red chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Add in all of the ingredients to marinate the chicken. Mix well. Now marinate the chicken. Then refrigerate for 1 hour or 30 minutes outside. To coat the chicken, you would need 2 eggs, 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, and 1 3/4 cups breadcrumb, 1½ teaspoon black pepper, half a teaspoon red chili flakes, 1/8 cup Parmesan cheese, which is optional, and 1/4 teaspoon salt. To make breadcrumb mixture, add breadcrumb in a plate or bowl, black pepper, Parmesan cheese, salt, and red chili flakes. Mix well. Coat the chicken with flour, egg, and breadcrumbs. Repeat until all the chickens have been coated. Deep fry the chicken in oil. Fry the chicken on medium heat until golden brown on both sides. This will take approximately 4 minutes per side. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, bye bye now.